If QuickBooks Self-Employed feels set it and forget it, but your taxes are still a mess, it's usually setup, not effort. I'm a CPA and I review self-employed books like this every week. What you learn: clean bank feed setup, simple categories that survive tax time, mileage plus receipts that hold up, a weekly rhythm that stays caught up. Main teaching step by step. Connect one bank card you actually use for business. Turn on rules, gas, auto, software, subscriptions, meals. Create 5 buckets you won't regret. Income, COGS, advertising, auto, office. Mileage. Track trips with a purpose note. Weekly. 10 minutes. Approve, categorize, attach 2 to 3 receipts. Quick story. One Uber driver I helped had $0 mileage logged. Huge missed deduction risk. Another freelance designer had supplies for everything. We split it and her reports finally made sense. Reviewer notes. Red flags. Lots of uncategorized, big meals, owner spending in business. What reviewers check: consistent categories, business versus personal separation, mileage log completeness, income matches deposits, no negative odd balances, supporting docs, bank statements, receipt images, mileage log, 1099s, Stripe, PayPal summaries. Quick checklist recap. 1. BizBank. Card rules on top vendors. 5 to 8 categories max. Weekly review block. Clear owner pay personal bucket. Mileage purpose notes. Attach receipts for big items. Monthly glance at P&L. Export docs folder. No MISC dumping ground. Like plus subscribe if you want more CPA walkthroughs. Drop a comment with what you do. Uber, design, Etsy, whatever. And if this sounds like your current setup, you're not alone.